Hello guys! In this video, we will teach you how to use real-time hair and how to fit the hair on your characters. You can download the free hair model used in this tutorial in the description down below. To fit the hair in Blender, first we import the hair model and the hair accessory and we connect them. Using this pack, you can save a lot of time and bring quality to your works. We change hair size to fit the hair on the character's head. For better results in the sculpting tab, we use a move brush and fit the hair on the head. After everything is done, we disconnect hair and hair accessories and we connect hair textures to the hair model. Now it's time to set up our hair textures and shade our model. First, we import our hair textures to shading section and we start to create and connect our nodes. According to the picture setting, we connect color texture to the roughness, and for controlling roughness, we use color ramp node. Now it's time for the alpha texture. First, we import alpha map and we connect this map to the alpha node. We should also import the normal texture. And we add normal map node. And then we connect normal texture to the normal map node. And after that, we connect normal map to normal. We should add inverse node, and we add alpha texture to inverse node. Okay, now we add mixed shader node and connect inverse node to the mixed shader. To use the transparency texture mode, as you can see in the image, We add transparent node and connect it to the mix shader, and then connect the main shader to the mix shader by combining the shaders and connecting them to the material output. Now, to display better and getting the transparency mode, in the material section and setting option, we changed the blend mode to alpha hashed, and we changed the shadow mode to alpha hashed. To display the hairstyle better, we add a subdivision surface modifier in the Add Modifier section, which gives us a better result in the final rendering. To correct the color and intensity of hairlight, we can add these nodes and change the parameters to get a better result. These models are prepared carefully with lots of attention to bring your characters to the next level. This pack includes 80 real-time hair for both females and males that you can easily use in Blender. You can download these hair cards with the link in the description down below. You can use these hair cards for games, animation, and study. All different hair models are available in this pack and can be easily used in all 3D softwares. Help us grow with your likes and subscriptions.